Hello, how are you? My name is Gabriel Felix. I'm a professional musician with over 10 years of experience in the profession. I have a degree in music. Yes, I studied at California College of Music. And nowadays I have my own music school named Meio Musical and more than 5,000 students, in person and online students from around the world. I believe that to learn music you need three things: dedication, tested and approved methodology, and an experienced professional to answer your questions. In my new course, you have full access to several classes, a professional quality content for you to learn and develop your music skills. All this in a simple and easy way for sure. And all the classes presented theoretical and practical examples that are easily to assimilate. You can learn at home from your computer, tablet or your phone, all HD videos. During this course, you'll be able to send me any kind of doubts that you may have, okay? I will help you to develop those skills step by step, I promise you. So, sign up for my new course now and get access to all the step-by-step instructions for mastering your instrument. I bet you'll like it a lot. And if you have any questions, just get in touch through the platform chat, alright? See you at the course. Thank you so much.